Hi guys, this is Priyanka Keni here and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so welcome to my cooking series. So this is basically my second vlog and मैं आज बनाने वाली हूँ वेज मसाला पास्ता which is one of my favorites. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so before chopping of the vegetables, I'll be boiling the pasta. So मैंने यहाँ पे लिया है ब्लू बर्ड का पास्ता ऑलमोस्ट 250 ग्राम्स है, हाफ द पैकेट. सो इट इज़ बेसिकली नो मैदा पास्ता. ओके, सो मैंने यहाँ पे वाटर पहले बॉईल कर लिया है. नाउ आई विल बी एडिंग इन सम सॉल्ट एंड सम ऑयल. Okay, so now I am adding in all the pasta. So we will keep it for approximately around 7 to 10 minutes or less than that. Okay, stir it occasionally because we don't want our pasta to get stuck at the bottom. Okay, now let's keep this pasta for boiling and let's start with the chopping of vegetables. Okay, so कुकिंग करने से पहले मैंने अपने सारे वेजीज रेडी कर लिए. आई हैव नॉट चॉप्ड येट. ओके,
So let's start with chopping of vegetable and enjoy this time lapse video. So since we are in the chopping process, let's have some talk. Let me tell you guys the reason why I chose to show you the pasta recipe on my channel. It is because of this two main reasons. Firstly, it is an Indo-Chinese recipe and I just love making it. And secondly, whenever I used to cook this pasta recipe and used to take it to my school and college, my friends used to just love it. Without even a second thought, my tiffin used to get emptied faster. Seeing this made me the happiest. And the reason is the secret taste and flavor which my recipe used to have. So to know that secret ingredient and secret flavor, you need to see the recipe till the end. So stay tuned. So we are almost done with our chopping process, only left with some tomatoes and carrot chopping, and after which we will start with our actual recipe making.
ओके, सो यहाँ पे हमारा चॉपिंग अभी हो गया है. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद आवर पास्ता रेसिपी. मीनवाइल द पास्ता वाज कुक फॉर ओनली 5 मिनट्स. सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए मैंने कुक किया है एंड इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट डन. नाउ आई विल ड्रेन द वाटर. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट स्टिकी एंड इट इज़ प्रॉपर. So before it is overcooked, I'll drain off the water and let's meet while making the recipe. Okay, so we are done with the major chopping part and preparation of pasta part. Okay, so yes, so this is how I have kept the pasta to cool down, and these are the veggies. Okay, so before we start with the cooking of pasta, okay, so I thought of mixing all the sauces beforehand, like outside, and then I'll be mixing it while cooking. Okay, this I have not done for pasta recipe. I have done it for noodles recipe, which is on my other channel, the Keni's Kitchen. So let's see how it goes with this also, and let's begin the process. So I am taking in here 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, half tablespoon of green chili sauce, almost half teaspoon of vinegar, Szechuan sauce 2 tablespoon, and now 2 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Okay, so now mix all the ingredients well. So this is our sauce preparation. We won't be adding any more sauces while preparing the pasta. Okay, so done with the sauce preparation.
So to start with the preparation of veg masala pasta, firstly I have taken in around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, now add in chopped garlic and chilies, saute it a bit and then add in our sliced onions. Once again saute it well till it is half cooked and then add in our sliced capsicum, followed by chopped carrots and tomatoes. Now mix in all the ingredients very well. Here I have added in around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Do not add too much of salt because even the sauces has the salt content. Now finally we are adding in our prepared sauce mixture. Mix all the ingredients with the sauces very well. I am not adding in too much of water since I want it to be a dry pasta. If you want your pasta to be soupy, then you can add in little more water. Okay, so now it's time for a secret ingredient to be revealed out. Tada! It's none other than Szechuan fried rice masala. It is already there, but no one has tried out with pasta. So my recommendation to y'all is to try it once when you make this veg masala pasta, because it altogether gives a different taste and flavor to our pasta. Since I wanted it to be spicy, so I have used in the whole fried rice masala packet, but if you need it to be a medium spicy, then add in just half the masala packet. Okay, so now I have added in water so as to blend in all the masalas and sauces very well. Once the masalas have been blended very well, now it's time for our pasta, the main ingredient, to be added in. Stir fry the pasta very well with all the masalas and sauces. Let it get coated with all the mixes very well, and then just cook for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now just serve this hot yum delicious pasta in this cool rainy weather and just enjoy each and every bite of it.
हे गाइस, सो मेरा सुपर यम पास्ता फ़िलहाल तो रेडी हो गया है एंड इट्स लुकिंग सुपर डिलीशियस. आई थिंक यू नीड टू ट्राई आउट दिस रेसिपी. इट इज़ It is smelling also delicious. Okay. So I cannot wait to try out this pasta. So this is my ready pasta, masala veg pasta. I'm just going to try out this pasta. Okay, so this is the pasta. Super yum, guys. It's super yum. You need to try it out. Okay. If you love my pasta recipe, please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. It was super fun shooting this vlog. Okay. Let's meet in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.